there.
Hi.
Are you Mr. and Mrs. Penguin?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your son's nurse today.
Okay.
Who is this little man?
This is Spencer Penguin.
Nice to meet you, buddy. If you don't mind, I'd like to start out asking you guys a couple of questions, if that's
Sounds good,
okay. How old is Spencer?
He's 8 months old.
Okay, perfect. Well, in the next few months, I'll sort of outline what you can expect to find in Spencer's behavior and development. Some things that we expect are development of his motor skills, so moving around. He should be able to grasp things fairly well by now, picking up really small objects, stacking things up on top of each other. Those are activities we expect to see from him. And also, is Spencer crawling nowadays? Okay, perfect. Crawling should begin by 9 months. By 1 year old, he should be able to pull himself up on furniture or with your guys' help with your hands and take a couple of steps. Some infants actually do start independently stepping by 12 months, but as long as he's pulling himself up and standing, that's really to be expected, so watch out for that for sure. Now, how does he act when you guys are out of the room or if you were to leave?
He gets a little anxiety when we leave the room.
Okay. That is actually really normal. We expect that. Because Spencer is developing trust in you guys, we want him to get a little upset when you guys leave. That means that he's trusting and that he knows when you're leaving. And by 11 to 12 months, he'll be able to sort of recognize when you're about to leave too. So definitely watch out for that kind of stuff, but it seems like he's off to a good start. Is he saying any words?
He started saying mama and dada.
Perfect. Okay, and by 9 to 10 months, he'll be able to understand the meaning of no and some simple commands like pick that up, sit down, stuff like that. And by 1 year, he'll have a vocabulary of about 3 to 5 words with meaning. So as he's sort of moving around in his environment a lot more, it's important to be making sure that the environment is safe and we set some limits. Make sure all chemicals and medications are locked up and out of reach. Some big things safety-wise are motor vehicle accidents, so keeping with that car seat, making sure he's all buckled up. Choking hazards, little pieces with food, not peanut butter, marshmallows, that kind of stuff in large quantities can have cause swallowing difficulties. And then another thing is drowning. So make sure you're watching him in the tub, and even just an inch of water, he could have drown. So be sure to supervise that kind of stuff. And in terms of the diet, are you guys just using milk right now?
Yep.
Okay. You can start by like 9 months, substituting 1 feeding milk with 1 juice, but still making sure that he gets 16 to 24 ounces of milk or breast milk each day, and then 4 to 5 servings of fruit and veggies.
Okay, then I know you mentioned it, but when should we start feeding people food?
Good question. Around 12 months, it's important that they're getting, table foods like dry cereal, cooked noodles, steamed fruits and veggies, grilled cheese, that kind of stuff. And then, going along with the food, he should be growing about 1 pound a month by their first year and weigh about 3 times the birth weight. And then by 9 months, he should be about 10 inches longer than his birth length. And additionally, is he vaccinated?
Yeah, I think he's had scheduled vaccinations like DTaP, his polio, and pneumococcal.
Okay. Some other ones that he should be having coming up pretty soon are the hemophilus and rotavirus vaccines. So that's something I can give you guys some flyers. We can talk about the importance of those. Additionally, the HIV vaccine, which is short for hemophilus influenza type B, and MMR, and hepatitis A are really important ones for him to get just to build up that immunity and so he doesn't get those really horrible diseases. And then, so the when to call the doctor. It's important to, have a good idea of what's going on with him so that you know when to alert us of a problem. A fever greater than 101 or less than 97 degrees, if he's not eating right or going to the bathroom like he normally does, if his skin looks more pale or red than normal, or if he's just acting, much different than the normal happy kid he is, I would say give us a call. And when you're in doubt, just give us a call. So, besides that, do you guys have any questions?
I think so. That's
I
very
think
helpful.
we're okay, thank you.
Okay, good. I will go get the doctor, all right?
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you.